Boy Maximum RPM coming at you with another video today. I'm recording on my mom's phone because it looks like I'm recording through a potato for a lens. And I've got the there's 3 idiots back with me. I'm the 4th one. I have Spider Sniper with me, the Mims guy, and Chad Files.
Out of all of us, I'm the smartest idiot.
Wait, we're doing this again?
We're doing another one. Another one.
Oh gosh.
Alright.
Another one.
This time it's Shatter versus Rocktivore, which is Chad Files combo, and it's Rocktivore 0 Survive. S. Goodbye. Dude, it's putting the hammer down.
I'm surprised we're still taking these hits.
I'm kind of surprised too. Rocktivore is tough. We might need Blood Boil. Boom! Man, it's putting the hammer down. Oh, that hit really screwed me up. Because I hit it at an angle.
It is cloning itself. It has not bursted yet.
I don't know how that's not bursted.
It's tall.
Got armor.
It did half damage, though. Because Shatter's going underneath it. It's hitting the disc.
Really holding it in.
Alright. Whoops. That was not a snipe, actually. It bounced. It bounced. I'll only count that as 1, though. I'm only going to count that as 1. Crap, it's not hitting the ridge. No, it slowed down too much. We can't hear you.
Oh, sorry.
Jeez.
If I stall you out, I'm gonna laugh. Oh. Ah. Close. Alright. Blood Boil.
Oh no.
Yeah, I got the notification in. First.
Case point and check.
Wait, do Shatter versus your Scallius combo.
I'm working on it. Hey, I'm working here. I just gotta run through another beyblade real quick. Oh! Oh!
Rocktivore was holding it. God.
It got so lucky so many times.
Rocktivore clutched it.
Another good hit.
The clutch. Combo King. Combo King.
That's my nickname.
Such powers.
Me now.
No, it's me. It's been that way since Metal Fight. That was stupid. We're not counting that.
We're counting.
No, we're not.
We're all missing.
I never count crap like that because it didn't directly affect it. It slipped. We're not counting that either. Don't you start. God dang it. Don't start.
Hits.
Wow, okay. We're moving on to Excalius. We're starting off with the blue. It might be... Excalius might be too tall.
just got a new bay off my...
Oh, wow.
That was close. Sure.
Oh, wow. Come on, Shatter. Come on, come on, come on. Whoa.
It snapped.
Nice.
I'm not happy that I'm winning. Come on, Shatter. It's too heavy. And it's quick. Yes. It's too heavy. Oh. Oh. No. Half damage. Time to move on to Blood Boil. Uh-oh, that's not good. That's not good. That's not good. We're not counting that.
You should probably seek medical attention.
Well, we're not going to do that. Well, typically I don't do this. I'm going to put it in storm mode.
Oh, yeah.
It's going to start bouncing now. Oh, what? What was that? Oh, yes! I don't know what just happened, but I love it.
Okay, serious question. I was never expecting to hit 100. I don't have any plan for...
Oh, don't.
Nemesis generation battle. Huh?
You're right, I could. All I have to do is reprint.
I wish I had something that I could send out to you, but I don't have any of my files. I don't. Wait. I might be able to send you a shatter. Possibly. Possibly. We're not going to talk about that. That was a crap launch. What the? That was a crap launch. We are definitely not counting that. It still did half damage. Come on, breakthrough, breakthrough. Ah! Oh, one more hit and I would have burst it. Yes! No! Yes! Yeah!
Oh, Jesus, rip Scalius.
It's confirmed. Beast. Beast. And do I even really need to say it? Do I need to say it? Beast. And, of course, we can't forget the original Beast.
Oh, yeah.
I might try to fix this. I might try to fix it.
Bait. B8 bait.
Alright. That's about it. Subscribe to these 4 idiots. Or these 3 idiots. Everyone, subscribe to every one of them. And especially Chad, because we need to get him caught up, guys. Come on. You're slacking.
Get into 1,000 subscribers right now.
Get into 1,000 subscribers right about now.
Wait a second.
Giveaway.
In one of my battles, I took a chunk out of my meteor frame.
Oh.
That's insane. Alright, guys. That's about it. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification so you get all my videos because I upload daily. And as always, I hope that this video makes your day just a little bit better. Live life to the max and stay awesome.